Just a little technical check. Am I audible? You can give me a yes. Oh, yes, I got one. And I'm visible too. Okay. So we shall start in just next 2 minutes. There are a couple of people to join. Seminar, or rather say a webinar to keep. All right. So let's begin with the webinar today. My name is Bharti, and I'm an educationist having experience of cumulative 18 years into education. I happen to be the program manager for 9th and 10th vertical at Career Launcher. And today I'll be taking you through the entire details, what all of you have been waiting for, the results, the other details, what Career Launcher has to offer. So let's begin. All right, a quick check. I'm audible? Students, you can just put it in the chat box if I'm audible, and you can, okay, great, I got a thumbs up. All right, and you can also see the PPT which says the agenda for today. A yes would be greatly helpful because we are into a different world today. All right, great. So let's begin. So today we'll be talking about everything about the talent hunt exam, why we had conducted, more or less every one of you are aware why we had conducted, because of your science aspiration, you want to go for career options related to science and mathematics when you come to your 11th and 12th. So let's start from there. We'll also be talking about, why you should start preparing early. All the students over here are from 8th or 9th. All right. So in next 3 years time, in next 2 years time, you will be in the real world of competition, deciding your careers, what to do, what not to do. So the best time to start, what we say, is now. So we'll be talking about that. We'll also talk a little bit about the programs, what Career Launcher offers, there'll be definitely some few surprise elements. And in the end, we'll do the announcement for the talent hunt results. All right, so let's begin. So in terms of participation, this talent hunt test was taken by 500 plus students across the nation, and it gives an immense pleasure. Students representing from 23 states of India. I mean, that's phenomenal. Who would have thought, COVID will give you a situation wherein one talent hunt is attempted by students across the states, 23 states. And the participation from different schools, that's close to 220 plus schools from where students had participated, right? So that's about the participation. There were total around close to 500 students who took the talent hunt exam. All right. So what did we ask in the talent hunt exam? Let us understand. Though the students have already taken the test, they know what we had asked. And nevertheless, I was just going through the feedback. What all of you students who have taken the test, you have put it in the feedback box in your talent hunt responses, few of them which I would definitely want to pick it up. Okay. See, what we had asked, basically, an equal amount of question in science from physics, chemistry, bio, that is 60% for science. Analytical reasoning was 20 and mathematics was 20. The kind of feedbacks, what we got, that there should be some more time. Okay, time और ज़्यादा मिलना चाहिए था, 1 घंटा बहुत कम था. Let me tell you, dear students, this talent hunt exam was just a teeny mini kind of entrance exam paper which each one of you are going to face after 2 or 3 years when you go in real life world, attempting the JEE exam or the medical entrance NET exams or something related to science, and nevertheless any other professional courses entrance exam. Okay, so this is how the time is given, and you will feel that okay, questions were tough, thoda aur time milna chahiye tha. But then students, you have to adapt, you have to work on your time management skills in order to get prepared for yourself. Okay, so that was the analysis. We had asked questions from science, mathematics, and analytical reasoning. Let's move to the next slide. All right, so a little about the talent hunt score. If you can see it in the slide, class 8, the highest score was 202 out of 240, right? And there was negative marking also. Who likes negative marking? But then, my dear students, negative marking is a real thing in all the entrance exam that you are most likely to face in coming years. Okay, so 202, and well, it's a good score with the negative marking. And if I go correlate similarly for class 9, the highest score was 225. Okay, if you come to the next line, what I have written is 90th percentile was 185 out of 240. Students, do you understand what is percentile? Do you understand what is percentile? If you can just put it in the chat box, I would just try to understand कि आप लोगों को percentile क्या होता है, एक understanding है कि नहीं. मैं एक layman person के जैसे बताऊंगी, but okay, I'm getting yes. You can be interactive. You can be interactive. Very good. Very good. Manjita says yes. Okay, 90 percentile means 90% students are behind us. Oh, excellent, Pranav. Very good. And this is what I would have explained. There was no better and simple way to explain. Fair enough. So each one of you understand. Great. So similarly, if you look at the percentile for 60th percentile for class 8, that percentile came at a score of 147 out of 240. And if you see for your 60th percentile, just a moment. 60th percentile for your class 9, the score is in 101 out of 240. Okay, so by looking at the percentile, you can understand, like 9th ka paper, it was tough. And I got a feedback in your responses, 90% of the students said it was, difficult to very difficult. Same story was with the 8th standard. They told like 70% told difficult to very difficult, 20% told that it was moderate, and 7% told that it was easy. Okay, so this is how it is going to be, all the entrance exam in the future. So start understanding in the terms of परसेंटाइल कि आपने कैसा किया है, क्योंकि आगे जितने भी एग्जाम आप लाइफ में फेस करोगे आफ्टर योर +2, everywhere they'll be talking about percentile. Okay, so that's the reason even in the talent hunt result letter that we'll be giving it to you, it will be emailed to you by tomorrow 1 o'clock. It will say about your percentile. Okay, and the other details will also be there. I will come back to it in the end. Okay, so I hope this percentile thing is clear, and this is a part of communication, how things has went with this talent hunt exam. Let's come to the next slide. Okay, so CL says start early. I mean, we say, we as an educationist, as a professional educationist, we say that, dear student, when you come to your 9th standard and 10th standard, and if you're aspiring for science related career option, which normally everyone would say engineering or medical, there are many other science related fields also, we say and we suggest you should start early. So why do we say that? Okay, see, let me tell you, and I think your parents will understand it very nicely. हम लोग क्यों बोलते हैं कि जल्दी पढ़ाई शुरू करना चाहिए? 9-10 से अगर आपको IIT करना है, नीट एग्जाम देना है, NIT में जाना है आपको, तो कुछ टेक्निकल रीजंस हैं. Okay, and there are some non-technical reasons. All right, so technical reasons, definitely I'll come to it later in the slides. How early study it lays a foundation for your higher studies, and what are the other reasons you should start early. But before I get into that, I would like to just ask you few questions. Okay, so here goes my question. All right, I think each one of you see a 2000 rupee note. Yes, yes, सबको नजर आ रहा है 2000, and everyone has seen it. Very good, great. Now my question is, okay, Divya will announce the prizes in the end. Please have patience. Okay, we'll come back to it. I know it's a festival day, right? It won't take long, but the kind of learning that I'm going to give you right now in next couple of slides, it's going to change your life, right? It is definitely going to change your life if you follow what I'm trying to communicate. Okay, so now let's come back. 2000 रुपया सबको दिख रहा है स्क्रीन में? Yes, I'm getting yes. Ramit says yes. Fantastic. All right. Now I have a question. Now tell me, I'll give you 10 seconds. What is written in the green strip of a 2000 notes? जल्दी से मुझे chat box में लिख के दो. क्या लिखा रहता है? RBI, Bharat. Okay, Priya says Bharat. Okay, so any more? RBI. Abhinav says don't know. Okay. Okay, chit chat, very good. Specimen, अच्छा specimen लिखा है. Okay, Shivam Sharma. Okay, I think Bharat Pranav says. Okay, very good. Don't know. Okay, great. So more or less, I'm getting a lot of don't know. Okay, and I got few correct answers. Okay, see, I'll tell you. It is Bharat. And when you will tilt the note, you will see green color to दिखता है ऐसे generally. What will you see? You will also see a blue color if you tilt the note. All right. See, students, why I'm asking this question. This question is definitely not relevant and it's not going to be asked in your school exams or in any of the competitive exams. See, why I'm asking is, many of you wrote, I don't know. See, dear students, आपके आसपास दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है चीजों में, किस चीज में क्या है नहीं है, क्या आप उसको ठीक से देखते हैं? Are you a good observant? You should. If not, आपको observe करना शुरू करना पड़ेगा. Okay, my voice is slow. Devansh, please check your internet connectivity. I'm sure there's issue from your end. I hope I'm audible. We can do a quick check if I'm visible and I'm audible. You can just give me a quick yes. Okay, I'm perfect. Pranav says, oh, great, Vedant. Yes, very good. Thank you. Thank you. So Devansh, please check your internet connectivity. Things would be smoothly running then. All right, let's take it over. See, the message is, see, you have to be a very good observer. Be aware what is there in your environment. If you're not aware what is there in your environment, how will you inculcate analytical thinking, critical thinking if you have not observed? Right? So that's the message I wanted to give. So अगली बार आपको 500 का जब नोट आया, आप देखो उसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है. What are the ways you can check the authenticity of a note? Observe करना सीखो. ठीक है? So that's the message I want to give, which is utterly important for your future career option. बहुत छोटी सी चीज लग रही है, but आगे जाके ये बहुत बड़ी बात होने वाली है अगर आप अपना ये behavior change कर लेते हो तो. All right? Now, I'm going to ask a second question, which लगेगा अरे ये क्या पूछ रहे हैं मैम? But then let's see what the learning is. All right. So see, each one of you see an egg. How many of you have tried juggling with eggs? किसको juggling अच्छी लगती है? कोई juggle करता है? Pratham will announce the result very soon. Have patience. Ronald Matthew, okay, have you done juggling? Okay, you don't like it, Abhinav. Oh, fair enough, no problem. Anjali, no. Yes, Vishwajit says, yes, I've done. I've never had an egg in my home. Okay, chalo, treat it like an element, okay? Not as a food. I have tried to. So Harshita, when you tried, what happened? You don't eat egg? No problem. It is just an element right now. It's not a food. Okay, okay. So when you start juggling with eggs, what happens? What happens? Okay. टूटता है. It is very fragile. Yeah, Pratik says breaks. Okay, Vishwadit says breaks. They might slip and break. Yes, it slips sometimes. Okay, and it breaks. All right. So everyone is saying that it breaks. Wonderful. So now I will show you two pictures. Okay, and I'll ask you a question. Let me see who answers correctly. Okay, your fingers on the chat box. All right. So there are two pictures basically. Picture one. See, dozen of eggs, and you can assume you are standing on all those eggs. What will happen? Put in your chat box. Pick two. I have not given, beta. Pick one. Pick one. It will break. Okay, not break. Uday says not break. Okay, they will break. Yeah. Wonderful. So many chats. There was one good answer. Let me just catch up. Okay. I think I lost it. Great. I mean, phenomenal participation. Okay. I will have to scroll through. Okay, this Pranav says, in one, it will not break as weight will be distributed uniformly. Excellent. Okay, partially correct. I would say a good answer. Okay, how come? You know, एक को अगर आप ऐसे पकड़ोगे ना, बिल्कुल vault position में, and you will apply uniform pressure from both the sides, the egg becomes difficult to break. आप अगर ऐसे पकड़ोगे it will break. All right, but then if you hold it like this and apply pressure, it will not break. That is why in picture 1, you know, imagine if you are standing there, those egg will not break. Okay, if there is an uniform pressure from the top. Okay, now next question, be ready on your chat box. तो कितना प्रेशर लगेगा, चलो केजी में बात करते हैं कि ये एक्स जो है ब्रेक हो जाएगा, मतलब बियॉन्ड दैट ये टॉलरेट कर ही नहीं पाएगा वो प्रेशर. कैन एनीवन टेल मी? लेट अस कंसीडर वन एग, नॉट अ डजन ऑफ एग, जस्ट वन एग में कितना प्रेशर डालेंगे, दो इट बिकम्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इन वॉल्ट पोजीशन, इट विल देन इवेंचुअली ब्रेक. कितना प्रेशर डालना पड़ेगा? कैन एनीवन जस्ट लेट मी नो? Okay, my chat box. Okay, 10, 5, 10 kgs, Anjali. Okay, equal to our weight. What is your weight, Abhinav? Okay, more than its capacity, 20 kg and enough. Gauransh, excellent. Gauransh, 20 kg and enough. Isn't it amazing? Say one egg, you know, if it is kept in a vault position, and an equal pressure is applied from both the ends, it can sustain the weight till 24 kgs, and then, you know, around 25 to 26 kg, it will break. See, most of you told that it will break 5 kg, किसी को 1 kg, right? But see, it's phenomenal. कभी सोचा था कि egg जो हमें लगता था अरे इससे क्या कर सकते हैं, तो टूट जाएगा, संभाल के रखो, है ना? चलो, I'll tell you one thing again. I was going through a chat box. A lot of people don't have eggs, घर में नहीं आते हैं. But हाँ, आपने देखा होगा कि जब eggs sell होते हैं market में, right? It is in the form of crates. और अंडे को ऐसे रखा जाता है, ऐसे नहीं रखा जाता. This is the reason. Okay? So, see dear, most of you never thought about it. कभी observe नहीं किया. Okay? But this is pure science. This is what I want you people to understand. जब आप पढ़ते हो स्कूल में, आप पढ़ते हो फोर्स, आप पढ़ते हो मोशन, बट वो सब डेफिनेशन होता है. बट प्लीज स्टार्ट एनालाइजिंग थिंग्स, you know, around you, how things happen. This is what I want you people to do if you really want to go and pursue science and maths in your you know, future. चलो, अभी तो ये मैंने बता दिया कि ये ब्रेक नहीं होगा. एक प्रेशर जो है ना वो ट्रांसमिट हो जाता है until around 24 kgs, a little more or little less, it will sustain and after that it will break. Now I have a different question. अभी तो सबको फंडा पता चल गया, प्रेशर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है in this position and then it becomes difficult to break. Now, okay, Shivam, please have patience. We'll announce the result in the end. I understand. Okay, I understand that it's a festival day. I'll not take much long, but the message I'm trying to give, it's definitely going to change your life. All right, great. Yes, Pranav, it is for one egg, right? If you you know, I find you very inquisitive and you are answering all my questions. You know, whenever you get a free time, Google, you know, there are a lot of experiments you'll find where they have done the tensile strength test. Okay, so thoda apna inquisitiveness badhao. That's how you will be able to pursue nicely. All right, a picture 2. Now what will happen? टेल मी, अब क्या होगा? अब तो टूट जाएगा ना सेकेंड पिक में. Pick 2 will break. Yes, everybody is saying it will break. Everybody is saying break, 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 break. But remember, ये जो प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं ना, यूनिफॉर्म है ऐसे करके, it will break. So everybody is saying break. Dear students, it will become doubly strong. Shocking. Shocking, na? It will not break even in 24 kg of pressure. Do you know how much pressure it can take? Around 40 kgs. Okay? Amazing. Science is amazing. See, मैंने अभी बताया, if you hold a egg like this, vault position, it can take around 24 kgs of, weight, and then most likely it will break a little less, a little more of pressure. All right. So, क्यों होता है? क्योंकि प्रेशर जो है ना डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाता है यूनिफॉर्मली, एंड देन इट्स अबाउट टू होल्ड टिल देन अ लिमिट इज रीच्ड. तो जब आप उसको ऐसे प्रेस करते हो साइड में, तब तो प्रेशर एरिया बढ़ जाता है ना, है ना? तो वो ज्यादा सस्टेन करता है. इट कैन टेक 40 kg. ऑलराइट. सो सी, इट्स अ नॉक नॉक टू एवरीवन. स्टार्ट थिंकिंग व्हाई, व्हाट. जो चीजें आंखों से दिखती है, साइंस में वैसा नहीं होता. एक्सपेरिमेंट करो, एनालाइज करो, इनकलकेट क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. दैट्स द रीजन आई गेव यू दीज 2 questions. All right. So wonderful, wonderful students. Yes, yes, very good, Pranav, very good. So all of you are participating, and it's great, when there is a two-way traffic, even in COVID times, though we are not seeing each other, we are in different parts of the country, it's great to see we are talking and we are learning. All right, now I'll give you the reason, since you had these 2 questions wherein I have taught you that change the way you think. Okay, science ko leke socho. Change how well aware you are. है ना? आप सिर्फ मोबाइल में या स्मार्टफोन में गेम खेलते मत रह जाओ, उसको कुछ अच्छा यूज करो. क्यों? क्या? यूटिलाइज इट टू गेन मोर इंफॉर्मेशन एंड नॉलेज. Okay, so that's my message. Now coming to the part 2, we were asking, why you should start preparing early. So see, now I'm coming to that slide wherein I'll explain you why, and then each one of you will totally agree. All right. See, when all the class 8 students, you would know what these topics are: linear equations in one variable. Okay, you have studied materials in which you had been just exposed to metals and non-metals. Light में आपने simple mirror का पढ़ा है ना, reflection कैसे होता है, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ा होगा. Reproduction in animals. So, you people are in 8, and then the other bunch of people are in 9. Please understand, आपने जो 8 में पढ़ा, okay, that is going to expand in your 10th standard. That is the foundation. Okay, उसी topic का elaborate will come in your 10th standard. So what you have to do is, please do not do any rote learning. Okay, understand the concepts nicely. The more you understand the foundation, the better it is for your further higher studies. Okay, on similar lines, if you come to the 9th standard students are well aware of, you have studied matter around us, force and laws of motion. When you come in your 11th standard, you'll be studying so much about laws of motion. Okay, you'll be studying so much about force. A pura expansion hoga. And if you people have your siblings who have passed 11th, 12th, and the parents, they would understand कि अगर आप 8वीं में, 9वीं में, 10वीं में पढ़ाई अच्छे से नहीं करते हो, 11th, 12th साइंस मैथ्स में बड़ी तकलीफ होती है. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आप रट्टा मार के पढ़ोगे कि चलो स्कूल एग्जाम में एक नंबर आ जाए, that will not work, students. You have to understand the concepts, है ना? जैसे मैंने एक का एग्जाम्पल दिया, फिर भी पिक्चर 2 में आप लोगों ने गलत जवाब दिया. इनफैक्ट सबने गलत जवाब दिया. Okay, so start thinking that way, start learning the concept. It starts now. Okay, 9th and 10th is an ideal time to lay down the foundation for your future, higher science and math studies. Similarly, on the same lines, when you come to your 10th standard, okay, 9th will move to 10th and you'll start studying these new topics. Okay, whatever you will study in your 10th has so much of meaning, so much of expansion in your 12th standard. And when you talk about entrance exam, all those exams for which you people aspire, you want to go into the best engineering institute, the best medical institute, all of this is going to matter a lot. Okay, so how you understand the concepts in your 9th and 10th is going to change how you perform in your 11th, 12th, and the other entrance exam. All right, so understand the importance. Okay, so this is one more reason I'm giving. You should start preparing early. And another one important reason why you should start preparing, see, the moment you start coming to 9th and 10th, you must have heard about NTSC exam. You must have heard about, yes, Mir says yes, very good. So NTSC is a scholarship exam, right, which is conducted across India. And the one who qualifies, right, throughout the education line, okay, they get a scholarship amount to do their higher studies. Yes, KVPY, excellent part. So there are a lot of scholarship exams starting from your 9th and 10th. In fact, Olympiad, I was waiting for somebody who would put in the chat box, NEET exam 12th ke baad hoga, Anjali. Okay, yes, NTSC. So in sabka basics, it starts from 9th. And if you're keen for NTSC, if you're keen for Olympiads, Olympiads, yes, Uday, JSO, very good. You have the Maths Olympiad. So you have the Science Olympiad. Okay, Divya is asking, so what we can do? Excellent, dear, excellent. I'll tell you what you can do. Very good. So now Piyush also say NSO, IMO, excellent guys. So people are aware about these exams. So I'm really sure now that next year आप जब 9th में जाओगे and 10th में जाओगे, आप लोग ये सारे exam देने वाले हो. And if you have not started a preparation yet, you can start thinking about it. All right? I'll tell you how, Divya. All right. So a little information about the NTSC exam. This would be very relevant for students in 9th standard who will be moving to 10th standard, because this exam is meant for 10th standard students. Now see, there are two levels of exam. One happens at the state level, the other happens at the national level. Okay, so state level exam do not have negative marking. Okay, I'm just giving you a little bit of information, so that by end of this seminar, you have already made up your mind, ki, okay, next 1 year, what I'm going to do. Okay, I'll be giving some information. Great. So in this exam, you basically have two papers of 2 hours each, in which there is a math paper, mental ability. Do you know what is mental ability? Anybody who can just chit chat? What is mental ability? Reasoning in simple terms. Yes. Aptitude. Yes. Reasoning. Very good, Piyush. Very good. Very good, Pranav. Reasoning. Logical reasoning. Yes. SKRN. Excellent. So it is the same thing what you attempted in the talent hunt paper. Okay. So you have already been exposed to, yes, analogical reasoning. Yes, you can, other word, aptitude, which is a commonly named word. Very good students. You all are aware about it, and it will work to your positivity in future. So math ka paper hota hai. Okay, I have written English proficiency test in my slide, but now English has been removed. Okay, there is another paper of 2 hours, SAT, in which science, maths, and your social science questions are asked. Okay, now what happens is, usually this exam happens in the month of November. Okay, आज से ठीक 1 साल बाद जो भी बच्चे 9th में हैं, नवंबर आने वाला है, यूजुअली नवंबर सेकेंड वीक में होता है. फर्स्ट लेवल इज कंडक्टेड बाय द स्टेट अथॉरिटीज, ओके, और द डिविजनल गवर्नमेंट जिला परिषद लेवल में या लाइसेंस ऑफिसर के अंडर में होता है स्टेट लेवल में. And that is free of cost, and mostly the schools, they organize it, they will help you through to apply and other things. That is NTSC. I'm talking about NTSC, Anjali. Okay, so if you clear this exam with the result will be very much clear by month of March. The second step exam, or rather say stage 2 exam, will be conducted in the month of May. And guys, the May exam will not be easy. It will have an application of negative marking also. And how much is the competition? From first step, usually, like last year, it was close to 8,037, 370 students who actually qualified for stage 2. And this figure, कि कितने बच्चे stage 2 में जाएंगे, it gets revised every 3 years. Okay, so it may not be same next year. All right. So stage 2 में जाते हैं. Stage 2 का exam होता है आपका national level का. Okay. And that happens in the month of May. And if you clear the stage 2, so उस 8,000 में से सिर्फ वो competitive, those who have worked hard, वो 2,000 बच्चे होंगे जिनको जा करके क्लियर करेंगे stage 2, and they'll be eligible for almost you can say a lifelong of education monthly scholarship by the government. Okay, so students, और क्वेश्चन का लेवल क्या होता है, आप जो पढ़ रहे हो 9th में, ठीक है, 10th में जो आप पढ़ोगे बेसिक साइंस मैथ्स, जो भी एनसीईआरटी का सिलेबस है, it would be the same thing, but yes, you have to learn how to apply. Rote learning is not going to help, that is for sure. Okay, and what I'll suggest is each one of you, yes, almost state book board book for stage 1, almost it's the same thing everywhere. Most of the states, they follow the NCERT, more or less जो topics होते हैं सब में same रहते हैं आपके, ठीक है, जो आप पढ़ रहे हो. All right. Okay, how to apply the concepts, Utkarsh? So you have to first thing, critical thinking. I was talking earlier. आगे की जो 9th-10th की पढ़ाई है आपको रट्टा मार के नहीं करना है, समझना है. नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, take help. And don't worry, students. Career Launcher has a very specialized test prep for your exams like NTSC, Olympiad, for your school board exam needs. I'll be talking about that. I will not talk much, but yes, certainly I will talk, because even Divya asked how to prepare for it, right? Ma'am, my school is not helping, what can I do? We can connect later on, Divya. In the end, I'll share my email ID. You can drop in your phone number. I would love to respond, okay? Because I would love to talk to you, right? So I'll share my details in the end. We'll connect, right? Hope that's satisfied, Divya. Great. So I cannot join Career Launcher. Beta Piyush, if you want to join Career Launcher, you can join from anywhere practically. That is the blessings what COVID has given. Okay, आपके schools में भी अभी पढ़ाई क्या हो रहा है? Pre-COVID situation क्या था? आप स्कूल जाते थे, right? बस पकड़ा भागा स्कूल के लिए, स्कूल में अटेंड किया, घर आया, ओके, फिर आप कोचिंग जाते हो, पढ़ाई करते हो, एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. आज के डेट में क्या हो गया, आपकी स्कूल की पढ़ाई भी ऑनलाइन हो रही है. जैसे अभी आई एम सिटिंग इन मुंबई, ओके, सम ऑफ यू आर इन दिल्ली, सम ऑफ यू आर इन बेंगलोर, कोई बिहार में है, कोई वेस्ट बंगाल में, एंड सी वी आर कनेक्टिंग, वी आर लर्निंग. So much of knowledge is coming from your end, so much from my end. Have patience, Pratham. We are just about to announce. A little bit of learning will definitely help. I understand that. मुझे पता है वो किसको मिला, मुझे भी बताने के लिए बहुत मन कर रहा है. Please have patience, है ना, because the things that I'm talking about are quite important. Okay, so you can join it online. Mir Mukhtar, I'll tell you how. We'll share the result letter right, by tomorrow 1 o'clock, which will tell you how to join Career Launcher. Okay, so don't worry, we'll give you the contact numbers also in that letter. सबको email में आ जाएगा कल 1 बजे तक. आप connect कर सकते हो, आप join कर सकते हो, ठीक है? And now location is not the barrier. We have a wonderful online program. Let take each one of you through it. So this is what I have already talked. Okay. So on the similar lines, you have mathematical Olympiad. I will not talk much because I see all my students, ma'am, results chahiye. So what I'll do is, each and every student can connect to us for a one-to-one counseling, wherein we can give all these details like mathematical Olympiad, right? International Junior Science Olympiad, okay? And then we can give you those informations in detail, okay? So I'll cut short. Have patience, dear students. All right, great. So now here are your answers why you should join Career Launcher for tuitions and foundations. Okay, for foundation program, all my dear students, you can join from any corner of the world you are in, because it's a totally online 1-year course. The 8th standard moving to 9th, it's a 1-year course. The 9 moving to 10, it's again a 1-year course that goes along with your 10th standard. Okay, and it's a wonderfully designed course, and it will teach you how to understand the concepts. Like one student was asking, Divya, कि कैसे concepts समझ सकते हैं? So here is the role of Career Launcher. See, end of the day, पढ़ना आपको है, we all understand, but you need a mentor, you need a guide, and we have the best of the team. Okay, the teachers who take the class, they are experts. Now if I talk about, let's say the NTSC exam में क्या पूछते हैं? Maths पूछते हैं, science पूछते हैं, logical reasoning भी आता है. Okay, all our teachers, teaching for this foundation course, they themselves, have studied phenomenally well, and they're well experienced. So say, if for example I say physics for foundation, who takes? Is Mr. Avinash Nini, who's from ITBHU and having 16 years of experience. He is the one who is going to teach you physics. Okay. Similarly, chemistry, Mr. Anudeep, he's one of our mentor over here. He's from IT Kharagpur. Okay. So these are the kind of experts we have at Career Launcher. If you talk even about logical reasoning, okay, logical reasoning बहुत important है. Okay. Mir Mukhtar, you say the cost of joining CL. बेटा आपके लेटर में पर्सनलाइज लिखा रहेगा, सब कुछ लिखा रहेगा, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर होगा. I can understand you want to join. We'll give you all information. Okay, just wait for our email. It will have everything. Okay, and because you all have given the test and most of you have done wonderfully well, and the best part is till 14th November everybody gets, the winners, they have the scholarship, the rankers, they have the cutoff ones, they have. I'll come in the later slides, right? So that's it. This is why you should join Career Launcher. And if you're planning, all my CBSE students, we have a specialized tuition program for 9th and 10th, and that is also online. You can take it from any corner of the nation you are. Okay, if you are from CBSE. We offer 4 subjects: maths, science, SST and English. But if you are studying Sanskrit, we have that option also. You can take that. Okay. And we have very good exhaustive test for foundation, for tuition. Okay. And the best thing is we have 24/7 faculty support system. You can approach our teachers anytime. We use technology, Telegram. All the teachers are there. You can connect to our teachers. You can call them. You can take help from them. You don't need to come and ask the administration ki mujhe ek doubt session chahiye. Feel free. It's a 24/7 faculty support system. Any point of time you feel dull, you don't know what career option aage, we'll give you free career counseling. Don't need to worry about it. And last not the least, each one of you who have taken talent hunt, okay, आपको एक मेल आया होगा जब आपने टैलेंट हंट के लिए पेमेंट की होगी, जिसमें लिखा होगा कि go to aspiration.ai. ओके, एंड एक लॉगिन आईडी और पासवर्ड आया होगा. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज चेक इट. ओके, उस लॉगिन में अगर आप जाते हो गाइस, बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन है about parents can go there and you can seek information about not only science, medical or engineering, about other career options. बहुत information है, plethora of information, plethora of free videos what you have. जिस तरीके से हमारे classes होते हैं, please go and explore. Just in case if you don't find that, okay, we'll connect to you through email and we'll inform you how to use it. Please connect to us regarding how to use the aspiration.ai. All right, great. So this is about why you should join CL. Now just a quick go through online foundation program that we offer. Okay, so basically it's a foundation for 11th and 12th. That is what we teach. Foundation for IIT JEE, NIT Foundation. We'll take care of your NTSC and Olympiad preparation. As I told, we have experts who take the class. All right, and it's a 210 plus hours of teaching. There's doubt session, there's exhaustive testing, there's a complete set of ebooks, okay? And the whole course comes for 25,000 plus GST. And guys, there is a very special fee which will be coming in your result letter, talent hunt result letter, with a cutoff date of 14th November, okay? Very, very special fee. Then you will receive the email, act immediately if you're really keen, okay? एक बार admission लेते हो, rest of the things will take care of, right? So this is the online foundation. We do have tuition program. Please note that this is specifically for the CBSE board students. What I see is 90% of you are already from the CBSE. So you have an excellent course which can be taken online sitting anywhere. So that comes for a, the fee is 35,000 plus GST. But again, that's an MRP and each one of you are getting a special fee for which the cutoff date is 14 November. Wait for our email, right? We'll give the connecting numbers in that. Tomorrow 1 p.m. tak aapke inbox mein aa jayega. Okay, we'll connect. So don't worry. So many students are asking, kaise admission le sakte hain and all those things. This is how you can do it. Okay, now again, great. So just a quick go through how CL has been doing in terms of performance, how our foundation students have been doing. It has been 4 years, in fact, 5 years of tuition and foundation legacy of Career Launcher, and we are doing extremely good. So to show you, this was the board result in which we had 100% result and we got perfect 100 for maths, English, social science, and Sanskrit, right? So what we feel is all our hard work, all the guidance the teacher gives, right? All the exhaustive testing we give, corrections that we do, if you talk about the board papers, छोटे छोटे चीजों को चेक करना होता है, बच्चों को उसमें डाउट आता है, एनालिसिस देना होता है. We have taken care of it and the result is before you. And इस 100 में से, perfect 100 scorer में ये जो 5 चेहरे आप देख रहे हो, 4 students, they have already joined Career Launcher for their engineering and medical goals this year. They have started the education with us. Okay, so it's a tradition with Career Launcher. आप एक बार CL में आते हो, आप post graduate तक जाते हो, CL will take care of you. All right, so this is about results, and this is what this all our children's, this is say, एक चीज आप common देखोगे, ये सारे बच्चे यही कहेंगे कि teachers बहुत helpful थे, environment बहुत अच्छा था, doubt solving बहुत बढ़िया होता था, teachers are compassionate, they are very friendly in nature, approachable, so that you don't face any problem, आपको डर ना लगे, ठीक है? So we have a wonderful environment over here, and that's the reason our students do very good. And see, this is all what our students have to say. It's everything before you. All right. So again, one important life lesson. What is success? Thoda chat box mein haath gumao. Students, even parents can participate. What is your definition of success? to achieve our goals. Vedant, very good. Gauransh, hard work, okay. Utkarsh, to have a satisfaction, okay. Reach the goals set in by us, great. Success is achievement in anything we have worked, very good. Achieving goal, okay. I want some more answers. Multiple steps of failure, yes, yes. Who has written this? Very good, very good. Multiple steps. Oh my God, you students are so participative, excellent. And I'm trying to scroll and find who has written. Okay, okay. So somehow I have lost that, but yes, it's true. I was looking forward for that answer, full of personality and goal and smart work. Very good, Piyush. Great goal. The fact that you have achieved what you want, doing well and becoming famous, rich, etc. Ahmed, very good. Good. So at least you all understand that if you achieve this, you define it as success. But there was one answer who said, when you fail and you understand that. Okay, so that is what I was looking forward to see. Let me present to you. This is success, how it looks. It's an illusion. जब आप successful हो जाते हो, सब देखेंगे. Okay, like today, after few minutes, I'll announce the talent hunt winners. Winners, yes, they got it, but how hard they have worked, that nobody has seen. The persistence, the failure, the sacrifice, right? All of those. And I'm happy I got that answer from one of the students. Excellent, guys. If you people understand what is the definition of success, great. So in short, we can say that in order to get success, what are the two quintessential things? क्या करना पड़ता है? सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ता है? Anybody? अगर सक्सेस चाहिए तो क्या करना होता है? ठीक है, persistence, failure सब आता है, but to start pursuing your goal, what exactly you have to do? Try, think. So I have really made you people think hard. Good. So I'll tell you what. It is initiative and the right attitude. किसी भी चीज को अचीव करने के लिए जो पहला कदम होता है, the first thought process. If there is no thought process, okay, नहीं हो सकता. And you don't have the attitude. ठीक है, चाहिए है मुझे, but I don't want to work for it. That is not going to work. So that is initiative and attitude. And for another 3 minutes, guys, I'll show you something which I want each one of you to just watch. And if you can have little bit more patience, I'll come up to the results. Okay, but watch this movie. ये आपको हमेशा याद रहेगा. What is the message I want to give and what you can learn from it? See, it goes this way. I hope you're getting the sound. You can give me a quick yes. Anybody? Great. Okay, not getting the sound. Yes, getting the sound. Not getting the sound. Okay, let me just check. I'll just check. Just a moment. Getting the sound? Okay, you can just watch. Okay, now you are getting the sound. Perfect. Watch it, guys. Watch it, guys. Watch it carefully. And then after that, we will talk. All right. So, yes, even Pranav says people whom we think are small can also take an initiative. Yes, Pranav. The message is if you want something, you have to start action with the right attitude. Great message. Yes, Ashley. Please remember it for life. And I knew this will make a difference in everybody's life. Okay. So, yes, think different and learn to face the problem. Excellent, Saksham. Excellent. So I'm so happy. I mean, all these students have such great deep thoughts. Good, keep it up. And I commend all the parents, who have brought up their children so nicely. Great. First step is to think. Very good, Manjista Bate. Very good. All right. So you people have learned the failure is the first step of success, ma'am. Oh, excellent, Sharvapalli Dikshita. I hope I pronounced your name nicely. Okay, so great. Yes, you do fail. After all, Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times, and then, today we have these lights. नहीं तो नहीं होता कभी, है ना? Great. So we can get inspiration from the smallest of the creature. Excellent. Chalo, great. So having understood all of these messages, remember that. And if you are ready for the right action now, I'm going to ask you 3 questions, which will have a, prize winning questions. जिसका पहला सही आंसर मेरे चैट बॉक्स में आएगा, ठीक है, उसको दिस इज अ सरप्राइज एलिमेंट गाइस. ठीक है, मैं कुछ सवाल पूछूंगी लॉजिकल रीजनिंग से, बेसिकली रीजनिंग से, जो आपको पता होगा. उसके लिए कुछ पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं थोड़ा सा ज्ञान अभी दे दूंगी. ठीक है, एंड देन यू हैव टू आंसर, एंड द फर्स्ट करेक्ट आंसर which comes to my chat box will get that prize. So I have 3 prizes, 3 questions. Let's come to it. All right. You must have heard about Venn diagram. Venn diagram के बारे में सुना है? Yes. Okay. So basically, जिन्होंने नहीं सुना, oh, I am getting a lot of yes. Very good. No. Okay, don't worry, Mohit. Don't worry. मैं अभी थोड़ा सा just 10 सेकेंड्स का ज्ञान दे दूंगी, ठीक है, ग्रेट ग्रेट, वाओ wow, very good, I like the attention, and all the attendees are participating, excellent. Krishna, don't worry, नहीं मालूम है, अभी मैं 2 मिनट भी नहीं 10 सेकेंड में बताऊंगी. Okay, let's come to the slide. See, basically Venn diagram हम लोग use करते हैं to establish a relation, right? And how it is represented in a form of Venn diagram. I'll give you some examples जिससे तुम्हें समझ में आ जाएगा. In fact, everybody will understand. ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा डीप में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay. Mir, just 3 questions and then we come to the result. I will not push anything else. Okay, but we are almost about to end, but I want to give this surprise prize. Why? क्योंकि अभी अभी हमने सीखा है initiative and attitude. So let me see. Okay, who gets it? So first I'm giving you the lessons. See, seconds. The first question, if you see over here, A is for seconds, B is for minute, C is for hours. So if you represent it in a form of a diagram, which is shown, C is hours, which is completely outside, and completely inside the concentric circle represents minutes. Why? 1 hour has 60 minutes. Similarly, 1 minute has 60 seconds, that is A. So A comes inside. So this is how seconds, minutes, hours is represented in a form of a Venn diagram. है ना, एक दूसरे का सबसेट है उस तरीके से. Now, what is the relationship between table, chair, furniture? देखो, table, chair, both are furnitures. Okay, but see, C is furniture, the big circle, and inside you have A and B. Why A and B is not overlapping? Because टेबल और चेयर में कोई समानता नहीं है. एक कुछ रखने के लिए यूज होता है, एक बैठने के लिए यूज होता है. Okay, so this is how it is represented in a form of a diagram. Now the next one is doctor, engineers and lawyers. Doctor are not engineers, engineers are not lawyers, and vice versa. So they are all separate circles. Okay, and the fourth one is boy, student and cricketer. Okay, so a boy can be a student or cannot be a student. So there is a partial overlap. See, A represents boy and B represents students, and C represents cricketer. So a boy can be a cricketer, okay, and a cricketer can be a student or cannot be a student. So what is happening? There is a particular overlap between these two relationships. Here also A and B, B and C, and a boy who is a student can also be a cricketer. So it is represented by this common section. I hope you people are able to see this common section where all the 3 circles overlap. Okay, so I hope थोड़ा बहुत तो जरूर समझ में आया होगा. Yes, yes. Okay, Shivam says yes, ma'am. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a question. और जो मुझे सबसे पहले जवाब देगा उसको मैं अभी एक I'll announce a prize. Okay, okay, ready, great, yes, fine. So it is on your screen. Okay, and I will put all my eyes in the chat box. अभी बताओ इसका आंसर क्या होगा. I'll give you just 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over. Okay, this one 4. Anjali gave the right answer. Anjali Pandey. Okay, great. Okay, can stop. Piyush also gave the correct one, but Anjali gave first. See, this is how it goes. Okay, so if you will see the explanation, okay, entertainer, clowns are entertainer. That is what the circle is inside completely. Okay, and an entertainer can be a father, right? And a clown can also be a father. That is why the correct answer is 4. So Anjali, you can just connect to me at my email ID with your enrollment ID, at the time of talent hunt exam, Anjali, can you just punch in your enrollment ID? We'll send your prize worth 100 rupees of gift voucher to your mail ID. Anjali Pandey, could you please give me? Anjali, you have given the right answer. That was 4. So I'm awarding you with a cash voucher, okay, which will be there in your inbox. I'll email it. Okay, it is Arima pandey7@gmail.com. Okay, thanks, dear. So now let us come to the next question. एक prize तो मैंने दे दिया. Wonderful. Great. Quickly will do because मुझे result बताने की बहुत जल्दी है. आप लोगों को भी result जानना बहुत जरूरी है. Great. Direction सबको पता है. You know, east क्या होता है? North, south, ईस्ट वेस्ट. जब आप पेपर में इसको विजुअलाइज करोगे इट विल लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस, है ना. ईस्ट के बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट में वेस्ट है. ओके, इट गोज इन दिस एक्स एंड एक्स डैश एक्सिस, एंड इफ यू गो टू द वाई एक्सिस, वाई विल बी नॉर्थ एंड द वाई डैश विल बी साउथ. अब देखो दो चीजें मैं बताती हूँ. ओके, नाउ इफ यू गो 45 डिग्रीज फ्रॉम ईस्ट, ओके, anti-clockwise, what will happen? It will be north-east direction. See, ये सब सबको पता है, right? I'm sure. अभी तक. Just a moment. All right. I hope the slide is visible for everyone. If you can give me a quick yes. Okay, great. Thanks. Thank you, Shruti. Thank you, Gauri. Great. So similarly, if you keep going anti-clockwise, between north and west, you have northwest. Similarly, west and south, you know, east and south, you have southeast. And west and south is southwest. Now, guys, remember this diagram. And next slide, I'm going to ask one more prize-winning question. Ready? Let me also open my chat box. Oh, great. Okay. So here is the question. Yes, what is the correct answer? A, B, okay, B, C, D. Okay, Gauransh Bansal, you can stop. Gauransh Bansal, you got the correct answer. Gauransh, very good. Now everybody is giving the correct answer. Excellent. Okay, so let us see. Wow, very good. Pranav, too many Ds. Great. Redima D, very good. Gauransh, can you quickly give me your email ID or your enrollment ID? Just punch in the chat box. I'll quickly note down. Okay. Gauransh. Okay, I have noted. Thank you. So you will get your gift voucher within 10 days in your inbox. Very good. Congratulations. Okay, now quickly we do the last question. Uske baad I will not stop. We will announce the results. Okay. So this is the answer. If you will see, there is all clockwise, anti-clockwise movement. If you would have remembered the diagram nicely, you would know. Great. So now coming to the next question. Okay, बहुत सिंपल सी चीज है, एनालॉजी. सिमिलर फीचर्स को जब हम कोरिलेट करते हैं एंड वी चूज अ करेक्ट ऑप्शन, दैट इज एनालॉजी. इन बहुत लेमैन टर्म्स में, बहुत आसान भाषा में. ओके, आई विल गिव 3 एग्जांपल्स. चौथा आपको बताना है क्या होगा. ओके, लेट्स से द फर्स्ट वन. शूज इज रिलेटेड टू लेदर in the same way as rubber is related to latex. Okay, D, C, okay. ये price वाला question नहीं है, हाँ. अभी I'm giving the example. When I'll give the price वाला question, then I'll say, yes, most of you got it right. Excellent, Gauri. Very good, Saripalli, very good, very good. Latex, very good. Okay, Idris, very good. Ramet Goel, very good. Okay, चलो दूसरा करते हैं फटाफट. Carpenter is related to furniture in the same way as blacksmith is related to, अच्छा, gold, D लिखा, metal. Oh, wow. Very good. I mean, we have a, you know, this webinar full of intelligent kids. Excellent. Very good. Metal. Why? The relation is worker and product. Excellent. Very good, Ahmed. Very good. Yeah. Aryan, Pranav, Mir. Okay. Quickly, this third example question. Okay. Okay. आगे answer आ गया? Very good. Good. Mostly correct. Ice. Now hold your chats. Now this question and the last question for your efforts to win the prize. Okay, and let me also get ready into the chat box, and I will give the question right away. Okay, answer this. Okay. See, Pranav. Yes. Now everybody. Yes. Pranav Agarwal. Very good. So, cause and effect. So, Pranav, you win the prize. Okay. You can share your detail quickly, and then, you know, okay. I got your email. Congratulations, all the three students, Anjali, Gauransh, and Pranav. See, learning takes, Gauransh, I have noted your mail ID, don't worry, I have it. Okay, so congratulations, all the three. And now let's see who are the winners. Now, सारा suspense खत्म कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, सब सस्पेंस खत्म कर रहे हैं, है ना. मीर बार बार मुझे पूछ रहा है, you know, रिजल्ट कब बताओगे मैम. So guys, I will not keep you waiting now. Let us come to the results. Okay, the moment for everyone. Let's see. So here it is. Okay, the national toppers for class 9th. Okay, the rank 1 is Anvesh Shubham Pradhan from DAV School, Bhubaneswar. Okay, so we are all in different location. We can just give a virtual clap. Okay, and Anvesh, great, congratulations. Keep up to the hard work, and you will be getting a cash prize of 30,000 rupees, which in the next 10 days of working time. We'll share the letter through email, and accordingly you can respond and claim your prize. Now the second national topper is Anish Singh, okay, from Podar World School, Sheriki, Vadodara. Congratulations, Anish. Well done. Okay. On the similar lines, as we had promised, you have your cash award awaited. We'll have to share some details on the email ID. We'll be sharing that email ID by tomorrow. Okay. Congratulations once again. Okay. Third is Sia Abhay Kotari from Mumbai, DG Khetan International School, Malad. Congratulations, Sia. So all the national toppers, congratulations, keep it up. But remember, this is just a milestone. Abhi aur aage bahut kuch karna hai. Okay, let us see. Saksham, rest of the students, I will also announce the national rankers. There are so many awards. Okay, I'll announce one by one. Let us come to the national topper class 8. Rank 1 is Khyati Kulshrestra from AMU Girls School, Aligarh. Congratulations, Khyati. Right? You also win the cash award of 30,000, which will be given to you through email in next 10 working days. We'll be collecting some details. कल 1 बजे तक आपके पास mail आ जाएगा. Accordingly, you have to respond. Okay, so there is no need to worry. कैसे क्या? We'll leave some contact numbers so that we can get in touch with you. Congratulations once again. Gauransh Bansal is a second ranker, gets a cash award of 20,000 and is from VPMS Pune. Congratulations, Gauransh. On similar lines, that is how you can claim. We'll share the email. Accordingly, you have to follow it and the prize will be given to you in next 10 working days. Okay. Now, third is Ashutosh Verma, third national topper for class 8. Congratulations, Ashutosh, from MDPS Faridabad. So all the national toppers, 6 of you from 9th and 10th, congratulations. Don't stop, okay, anywhere. जो आपने अभी अचीव किया है, this is just a milestone. आगे बहुत कुछ करना है. Now, coming to the next announcement, we had promised, we will be giving another prize monies to the other national rankers from both the categories. Yes. So let us see their names. So this is from class 9th, and there are 3 slides full of names. I will quickly read it out for you people. Garimela from Hyderabad, Divya. See, the prize money is also written. That would be paid in form of vouchers. Okay, that can be, we'll communicate through email. Don't worry, we'll communicate to you. Okay. Divya Agarwal, Arjav Jain from Delhi, Abhinav Taneja from Patiala. Okay. Parshav Sanjay Meshia from Jamnagar, Raunak Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Arnav Nigam from Malad Mumbai, Kodam Sathwik from Telangana, Anya Sharma from New Delhi Ashok Vihar, Aditya Chandra from Impal. Oh, excellent, from Impal. Well done, very good. There's plenty of, you can say pan-India participation, and they have all done good. Utkarsh Agarwal, Sashwat from Chinchiwar, MP, SKRN, Meet Kaushik from Pune. The list, there are 2 more slides. Okay. Pranav, we have taken care of all the question discrepancies, whatever was there. Okay, so do not worry, we have taken care of it. Okay, so all the results have been, finalized, keeping in mind all those discrepancies raised and other things, right? Okay, Vinayak Bhadra from Khargar, Naina Pal, Rimjim Kesri, Swambhu Rath, okay, Chaitanya Limay from Pune, Pranav Agarwal from Faridabad, Ayush Srivastav, DAV Public, okay, Ayush, fine, I took his name, Pranjal Satelkar, Piyush Kumar from Siwan, Mukti Kumari from Siwan, Pratik Raut from APJ, I think Delhi, yeah, Aryan Meena from Delhi, Rasika from Sunrise Convent, I think you need to give the region. Mohammad Sahil Hasnan from Pratappur, Utkarsh Agarwal from Wakhad, that is Pune. Okay, and there is one more list, for 9th standard students. Shoaib Ashraf, Eva Mandal, Mishti Bhadidiara, Suyash Balasaheb, Mahan Var, Shrestha P. Singh, Om Thakur, Ankit Haldar, Krish Raj, okay, Akanksha Nandi, Gargi Mane, Chirag Singh, Pranit Prashant Mathane, Arnav Bagga, Khushi Chaudhary, Pat Sud, Akshit Ranjit, Nawal Kishore, Akshun Mahajan. So I think that's the list for 9, and all these rankers will get the cash vouchers, which will be delivered to you in next 10 working days. All right, we have your details. We'll send you through emails. You have to just do a normal, process, filling up our KYC forms, and that's how we'll transfer all the amounts and the vouchers. Okay. Gauransh, I have noted it down. Gauransh, I have taken down your enrollment ID. Don't worry, I have your details. Great. So coming to 8th standard, the other national rankers. So again, the list is endless. I'll quickly read. Arnav Nigam, Mumbai. Okay. Ayan from Ranchi. I'll just read out the names. I think the place and everything is there. You can just have a glance through. Kush Dabriwal, Meghna, Ramit Goel, Rito Bratanath, Akshat Chaurasya, Anshika, Harshita Khandwal, Trishna Yadav, Priyal Pinjani, Saksham. Okay, there's a next set of list. Devansh Khatri, Harsh Patel, Prince Kumar, Piyush Das, Agrima Prasad, Puneet Chakar, Shreya Mehrotra, Adrito Pal, Srinja Malik, Adi Dikshit, Shuryanshu Acharya, Meghna Malik, Ayush Mishra. Okay, I think this could be the last one. Yes, Ronald Jacob, Atharva, Ramrao Nabalwarkar, Rudra De, Uday, Ridhima Singh, Aishwarya Sharma, Aditi Sahu, Tanishq Bartake, Meghna Jhana, Divyansh Chabaria, Vishwajit Singh, Shivam Mishra, Ishwari Manoj Mahalaskar. I think this is the list, and I will congratulate everyone. Just a virtual clap. Okay, clap. And we are going to send emails tomorrow 1 o'clock. आपकी email में आ जाएगा. All correspondence will happen through email. Just here for the information what I'm trying to give. Tomorrow afternoon, सबको email चला जाएगा. Oh, there is a clap. Very good, Ahmed. So it's a clap for everyone and yourself. Great. So now, by tomorrow 1 o'clock, every one of you, the toppers, the rankers, and all the other students, okay, will receive the talent hunt result email, which will have their percentile. You will have your score, basically percentile score. It will have the the courses offered to you, the attractive scholarship that is offered to you, and what is the cutoff there? That's 14 November, and we have left there a contact number so that you can talk and take it to the next level. Oh, Priyanshu, I take your claps. Great. So there's a clap for everyone. Great. And there's one more thing, guys. There is one more thing. अब प्रणव सरप्राइज एलिमेंट कभी आ जाएगा? 10 दिन में आपके पास मेल आएगा, प्रणव को आएगा, गौरांश को आएगा, ठीक है, अंजलि को भी आएगा. Yes dear, it will come, and congratulations once again. And we'll also email the e-certificates, the merit certificate, the participation certificates in next 10 working days. Okay, so these are the informations I have given, and in the screen you can see my email ID. Okay, please note it down. You can ask any questions. If any parents, any student wish to speak to me, please email me your name, class, and your contact number with the question. I would respond in the best time within 6 hours. Okay, and just in case there are some urgencies, within 12 hours you'll definitely get a reply back. Usually here at CL we do it instantly, but then I want to give you a promise which I can fulfill in practical manner. So write to me, ask your queries, and in the letter we have also mentioned that you can fix up a counseling schedule in which you can connect to us on one-to-one basis, okay, online, and we'll counsel you about your percentile, how have you done, what you have to do next, the courses that you are interested in. We'll talk more about it, about the exams, everything. So do not worry. Just wait for our letter tomorrow. Wait for our letter tomorrow. I can give the contact number, Meet, but the only thing is, if I'm busted with calls, and if I forget calling back, right? So I don't want to be apologetic. So please email to me. आप अपना contact number दो. That's the best thing. I never miss a single email. All right? All right. And in the scholarship letter, the result letter, okay, we'll leave a contact number on which you can call and you can get all your doubts fulfilled. We are all there for you. We are a team of dynamic people who are there to help you. Okay, so that takes care of the seminar. We have announced the prizes. What is the next workflow? आगे आप लोग क्या करोगे? आप लोग को admission लेना है. We'll share the results of admission लो, and you can take whole lot of benefit out of Career Launcher. Yes, dear, we are through with the seminar. Thank you on a festival day, right? Having so much of patience, and students, I love you guys. Keep up the same spirit. The way you have participated is commendable, and congratulations to all the students. Anjali says, what about rest of the results? Beta, आप सबके results, individual results आपको mail में आ जाएंगे, है ना? You may not be, प्राइस नेशनल रैंकर में नहीं है, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आपका टॉपर में नहीं है, but every one of you are getting some or the other scholarship feed is, benefits till 14th of November. So wait for our email. कल 1 बजे तक आएगा, आप सबको आएगा, ठीक है? अगर आपका मेल भी फेल होता है ना, तो हम लोग आपको कांटेक्ट करेंगे, हमारे पास आपका मोबाइल नंबर है. Okay, great. So thanks a lot. Wonderful opportunity. Good. All the best. So कब आएगा दोबारा? अगले साल आएगा पीयूष. And then we'll be waiting for you. Wonderful session. Great, Aditi. Thank you. Thank you. Valuable knowledge. Keep it up. Remember, Happy Dashera. Yes, Happy Dashera to everyone. And thank you for the patience. Any more exams? Stay in connect with us, Piyush. Stay in connect. Keep writing to me. You have my email ID. Jo information chahiye, I'll give. Okay. Bye, Vishwajit. Happy, very good, wonderful session. Thank you, Shrestha. Yes, Pranav, you can leave. And thank you. And keep it up the way you have been participative. Parsh, okay. Can we convert it into a cash prize? Parsh, please connect to us through the email ID or the contact number what we'll be giving you in the letter. Okay, thanks, dear. Abhinit, okay. Your result, everybody's result will be emailed. We have your email ID. Happy Dashera, Shretya. Okay, thank you, Raj. Piyush, voucher, I don't want. Beta, that is what was announced. If you have earned it, great. So next time ऐसी मेहनत करना कि cash award लेके जाए, है ना पीयूष? Okay, great session, Shruti. Thank you. Raj, yeah, thank you, dear. Thank you for the patience. Shruti wanted to say something. Acha, it was a left exclamation mark. Great. Yeah, bye-bye. Voucher can change cash price. No, dear. Abhinit, call and tell my result. Sure, Abhinit, just wait for our emailer. We'll be giving a contact number, and in a few days, we'll also come back to you. Okay, so don't worry. A lot of things will be happening in a week's time, Abhinit. Okay, Sharvapalli, it was a wonderful class, ma'am. Oh, great. And you people have been lovely, so participative. I've never seen a crowd like this, Shruti, yeah, thank you, dear. Priyal, ma'am, it was the cash prize for rank 1 to 3. Yes, dear, it was a cash prize. They will get it in their bank accounts. Happy Dashera, Shruti, to all and your family. Krish, yes, happy Dashera to everyone. Everyone, happy Dashera to everyone. Okay, how can we get a cash prize? We'll connect to you. Abhimanyu will connect. We'll send you the email. Don't worry. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Dashera, Pranjal, Manaswi, Raj. Raj, you wanted to say something. You left incomplete. Okay, thank you, Krish. Abhinit, happy Dashera. Yes, same to you. Okay, Abhimanyu, thank you. Thank you to you. So yes, we'll communicate through emails. Okay, wait for it. By tomorrow afternoon, 1 बजे मेल आ जाएगा जो भी विनर्स हैं, और जिनको नए भी विनर्स हैं रिजल्ट लेटर आ जाएगा, सब चीज आएगा उसमें। ओके, थोड़ा सा पेशेंस और हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे, इफ इट कैन बी डन एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल, राइट, बट देन एट मैक्स बाय टुमारो 1. Abhinit, we have your, I think, this contact number in the form responses that you have filled in the talent hunt. We'll contact through those numbers. Okay. Wonderful knowledge. Thank you, Manaswi. Hana? Take it forward. Be successful in life. Great. So, still have 30 participants. We are through with the webinar. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye, Shues.